Hello, dear students. I hope all of you are doing well and staying safe. Let's continue with the chapter. This is quite a long chapter, but the story is interesting. Okay, so paragraph number 10. I found her in the forest. Okay, let me give you a recap. Previously, के भएको थियो गोम्पे thought that he was going very mad. Okay, forest ma basera I'm searching for this animal and I'm not finding it, and in return he was hallucinating. हैन उले चाहिँ अचानक मान्छेहरू देखेर हाँसेकोहरू सुनेर त्यस्तोहरू हुँदै थियो होला हैन. Then he thought like no, I think I need rest, I should go home भनेर. Then he went home. Then घरमा चाहिँ को ल्याइरहेको थियो उसको मम्मीले एउटा small black cat. Okay, so let's continue. I found her in the forest. The poor thing was starving and chilled to the bone. But look how pretty she is now. Okay, so who is saying this? Gompe's mother. Okay, Gompe's mother when Gompe went to his house, she introduced him to a small black cat and she told him that I found this cat in the forest and it was starving. Starving ko matlab त याद छ, means to it was खानु नपाएर कस्तो हुन्छ नि हैन, भोकले मर्नु आँटेको कन्डिसनलाई चाहिँ भन्छ starving. Okay, so he was starving and he was chilled to the bone due to cold. He was chilled, he was really feeling cold and he was starving. He had nothing to eat. But look how मैले उलाई घरमा ल्याएर उलाई खानाहरू दिएपछि चाहिँ look how pretty she is looking now भनेर गोम्पेको मदरले भने चाहिँ अरे. Paragraph 11. The cat purred contentedly and nestled against her. Gompe kept remembering what had taken place in the forest, ate to his heart's content and went to bed. Okay, so the cat was there lying happily with Gompe's mother, and then Gompe just remembered what had happened to him in the forest. Yeah, so he remembered how unsuccessful he had been to in the forest. He was not able to find the beast हैन. अन्त त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ he ate to his heart's content. Okay, पुरा पेट भरभरकै उले खायो. अन्त त्यहाँदेखि he went to bed because he needed really needed rest. Okay, paragraph number 12. The next day he rose at daybreak and prepared to set off again. He wrapped up some bread and put his bullets in his small bag. He was carefully counting when he had the feeling that someone was watching him. Who could be here? He thought to himself. When mother is still sleeping, he looked around and noticed that his mother's cat was watching him from her corner. Okay, so the next day, अब बेलुका त मजाले खाएर गोम्पे सुत्यो, आरामले रेस्ट गर्यो. But then the next morning again Gompe rose again. He thought like no, I have to do this, I have to find this beast भनेर चाहिँ फेरि उ जान्छु भनेर उले डिसाइड गर्यो. Then what happened? He wrapped up some bread हैन, अब बेलुका फरेस्टमा खानु त उलाई चाहिन्छ. Then he took some bread and he took bullets in his small bag. Okay, यो चीजहरु हाल्दै गर्दा फेरि चाहिँ he had a feeling that someone was watching him. कसैले मलाई हेरिरहेछ जस्तो उलाई भयो अरे. And then he thought to himself हुन्छ नि, like who could be here actually, like even my mother is sleeping, so मलाई कसले हेरिरहेको होला भनेर यसो अचानक यस्तो गरेर हेर्दा फेरि चाहिँ what did he see? He saw that the black cat was actually looking at him. Okay, paragraph number 13. I'm beginning to see danger everywhere, he said and smiled. But something would not give him peace. So secretly he tucked away one bullet more. Okay, so then initially अब गोम्पेसँग के भएको थियो हैन फरेस्टमा, he thought like he was going mad. मैले चाहिँ अचानक आवाजहरु सुन्दैछु, मान्छेहरु देख्दैछु भनेर चाहिँ उलाई त्यस्तो लागेको थियो नि त हैन. So when he turned around and when he saw that the cat was looking at him, he thought like आफूसँग यस्तो सोचे अरे कि what am I even thinking हुन्छ नि, यो क्याटले त मेरो के बिगार्नु सक्थ्यो भनेर चाहिँ he just smiled. Okay, and then what happened? He took one more bullet and he tucked inside his bag. उले चाहिँ जतिवटा पनि बुलेट्सहरु लगेको थियो लास्टमा चाहिँ अझै एउटा स्पेयर बुलेट बा चाहिहाल्छ कि भनेर एउटा बुलेट उले राख्यो. Okay, and paragraph number 14. Sorry, again Gompe spent the whole day searching the forest, but he found nothing. He wandered quite far and decided to spend the night in a hut where he often slept when he was out hunting. He was so weary that he quickly ate the bread he had with him and soon fell asleep. Okay, so what happened? Again, Gompe searched the forest for the whole day but with no success. Okay, खोजेको भएछ, still there was no trail, no sign, nothing of the beast. He could not find it. Okay, and then he wandered far, होइन कता कता ऊ गएछ अरे, but he again decided to spend the night in a hut where he often slept. त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ एउटा हट भनेको एउटा झोपडी थियो फरेस्टमा, where Gompe used to spend the night, होइन त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ ऊ गएछ अरे. He was so weary, 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 please underline this word, weary भनेको चाहिँ he was very tired. Obviously दिनभरि जङ्गलमा उसले त्यो बिसलाई खोज्दैछ, हिँड्दैछ, थाक्छ होइन. So he went inside the hut and then he decided to have the bread. बिहान उसले घरमा ब्रेड बोकेर आएको थियो ब्यागमा, होइन. So त्यो ब्रेड खायो and he soon fell asleep. Okay, paragraph number 15. Night fell. There were heavy clouds and the darkness was complete. Gompe tossed restlessly in his sleep. Suddenly he sat up with a start, awakened by a soft rustling. It sounded as though someone was creeping stealthily. Quietly he jumped up, prepared his gun, and drew aside the straw mat over the door. Okay, के भएछ? राति अब night पर्यो and Gompe is sleeping आरामले. Okay, and suddenly what happened? He just woke up with a start. अचानक झसङ्गै बिउजिन्छ नि हामीले. So that is what is called, he suddenly sat up with a start. अन्त कोही बेला हामी पनि आरामले सुतिरहेको हुन्छ, अचानक केही साउन्ड ठ्याङ ठुङ केही बज्छ, त्यति बेला चाहिँ के हुन्छ, अचानक यसरी उठ्छ नि होइन, हामी पनि बिउजिन्छ नि त. सो गोम्पे पनि त्यस्तै भएछ अरे होइन. अन्त त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ why he woke up means he was awakened by a soft rustling. Rustling is the sound of leaves. अचानक जङ्गलमा त अब ट्रिज अन्त प्लान्ट्सहरू बाहेक अरू के हुन्छ होइन. सो त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ त्यो बुसेसहरू जे पनि थियो, त्यो प्लान्ट्सहरू ट्रिजहरूको पत्ताहरू चाहिँ सररै सरेको जस्तो भएछ, रस्लिङ जस्तो होइन, एज अफ समन इज मुभिङ देयर होइन. त्यो घाँसहरूमा कोही हिँड्यो भने छ्याक छ्याक आवाज एन्ड अल द्याट. ओके, सो he woke up with that noise and then bistari it sounded as though someone was creeping stealthily means कोही चाहिँ लुकेर त्यहाँनिर बाहिर अब त्यो हट बाहिर त अन्त जङ्गल त छ होइन, कोही बिस्तारी लुकेर बाहिर जङ्गलमा हिँड्दैछ जस्तो भयो अरे. Quietly he jumped up, prepared his gun. He had bullets, so he put the bullets inside his gun and he drew the straw mat over the door होइन. त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ paragraph number 16. Okay, we'll do this in the next video.